everyone, today I'll share with you my 3 must-have items that I never travel without. Hi everyone, my name is Melissa. Welcome back to my Ready to Go Melissa channel, where I share with you my tips and hacks to help you plan your very own travels and memorable vacations. Okay, so what I wanted to share with you today are 3 specific items that I never travel without. Now, of course, you can find lots of packing lists online with long lists of items that are important for travel, but really what I wanted to do today is focus on 3 specific items that I never travel without and that people may not necessarily think about. Now, for all the items I'm discussing, I do have the Amazon links in the description of the video. Those links are applicable to multiple countries, so it's a great way for you to get those items at the regular Amazon price while at the same time supporting the channel. Okay, so my first must-pack item is to make sure you never lose track of any of your luggage, carry-on bags, purses, or backpacks. Now, we've all been there when we travel. We're sometimes rushing through an airport to make a flight, or maybe you absent-mindedly forget your purse on a chair in a restaurant, or worse, one of your items may get stolen. Something that happened to me last summer while we were returning from Italy is that my luggage actually got left behind. So when we arrived here in Montreal and I went to pick up my luggage, well, I waited half an hour, and while everyone else got their bags, mine was not there. Now that's a stressful moment, and after half an hour of waiting for my luggage, I remembered that I had Apple Airtags in every single one of my bags. So what is an Apple Airtag? Well, it's sort of a chip. It looks like a coin, a little bit bigger than a quarter, and it basically acts like a GPS. So you put one in each of your pieces of luggage, in your carry-on, in your purse, in your backpack, and you can track at any moment where your item is anywhere in the world. So this actually links to an app on your phone where you can see at any point in time where your item is located. So when I lost my luggage, I actually just went on the app and it clearly showed me that my luggage was still at the airport in Rome. So what's great about that is that it gives you peace of mind. I was able to just go to the baggage claim counter, fill out the form, and basically tell the agent exactly where my luggage was located, and it was delivered to me 2 days later. And what's great about them is that they do have a battery, so they are rechargeable. Honestly, they work great. They come in single packs and in packs of 4, and I do strongly recommend that you put one in every single piece of luggage or bag that you're carrying around with you. So item number 1, Apple AirTags. Okay, my second must-pack item is an international converter. No matter where I'm going, whether it's in North America, Europe, I carry this around with me. What's great about this international converter is that it not only helps you plug in devices in various countries, but it also includes 2 USB ports. There's actually a newer one that I found on Amazon, so I'll put the link for that one in the description below. So the way this works, for example, is if you're going to Europe, you set it to Europe, and then you press down and you're ready to plug in items into a European outlet, and you just plug in your North American devices right here. Now, important to know that in the UK, the outlets are different. So on this one, you actually have an adapter also for the UK, and there you go. And so at the same time, as I mentioned, with the USB ports, you can also charge your phones and other devices. Now this one in particular has 3 converters in it, so North America, UK, and Europe, but there are others that have more. So I'll put a few options from Amazon in the description below. Okay, and item number 3, you may have seen many of these behind me, but that is bringing along a Lonely Planet book. Now I know you can Google things online. I know that there are many sites and apps in order to get information about travel, but I still remain attached to my Lonely Planet books. I find that you have a lot of information all in one. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that doing research before going on a trip is one of the key components of travel planning. So I like to have multiple pages flagged, not just for my key sightseeing items, but also pages that have information about emergency services, where hospitals are located, and some important social norms if it's a foreign country. So the one I have here is actually a new one that was recently issued by Lonely Planet. It's a Lonely Planet, The World. And what's great about this one is it actually talks about 221 countries listed in alphabetical order. So if you're looking for ideas on new countries to explore or where to go next, this is a great one. You can see that I've flagged quite a bit of locations to add to my bucket list. So what I'll do is I have the link down below for this one, Lonely Planet, The World, as well as a few other editions for very popular destinations. Now, what's great about Lonely Planet is you also have some pocket-sized editions. This one, for instance, is for Nice and Monaco. Yes, also my t-shirt. So these are great for individual cities, and it's small, very easy to carry around, and they all have dining locations that they recommend as well. So just in case you're not familiar with Lonely Planet, businesses cannot pay to be included in the Lonely Planet books. It is a series of books that is based on traveler recommendations. They are written by travelers. And what's also great is that from a budget perspective, you have options in the Lonely Planet books that range from budget traveling, such as hostels, all the way up to luxury 5-star hotels. And the same goes for dining options. So those are my 3 items: Apple AirTags, the International Converter, and Lonely Planet books. So on the Ready to Go channel, it's not just all about me. We all want to learn together some additional tricks or recommendations. So in the comments below, please write down your very own top 3 must-pack items. So if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a big like and share it to your socials. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so that you never miss out on future episodes and help us get to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. And this way, you'll also make sure that you're always ready to go. And European